teacher, tutor, student, learner, problem, issue, idea, concept, classmate, peer, criminal, offender, tourist, visitor, colleague, workmate, raven, dove, hawk, ostrich, duck, seagull, goose, flamingo, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, zeta, eta, theta, lambda, pi, sigma, almond, cashew, walnut, hazelnut, pistachio, peanut, pecan, corn nut, chestnut, daisy, rose, lotus, orchid, hibiscus, lily, sunflower, marigold, daffodil, tulip, at home, in London, at school, on the bus, on TV, in the car, on the left, at the door, on the way, in the world, should have, should've, could have, could've, would have, would've, must have, must've, might have, might've, may have, maybe.